guys, welcome to Delightful and Delicious. My name is Stephanie and I am so glad that you are here. Today we are going to be making classic French toast. This is fantastic for breakfast, for brunch, pretty much whenever. Now this is one of those things where you are going to have to make sure that you prep everything before you even turn your pan on, because if you don't, something's gonna get burnt and we don't want that. So let's go ahead, preheat our ovens to 250 degrees and let's get into this. Okay guys, so of course the first thing you are going to need for French toast is a nice loaf of bread. Now I like to use challah bread for this. It's perfect, but you can also use a brioche or a thick cut white bread if you like. Make sure that you have a nice serrated knife to do this. If not, you're going to mush your bread down and it's going to be like those sort of weird shaped slices. And you're going to need 8 to 10 slices for this that are going to be about 1/4 of an inch thick. To a bowl, add 6 eggs, milk, unsalted butter, sugar, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, and kosher salt. Mix well. Now pour that mixture into a separate container that's large enough to soak your bread. So now that you have your custard already made and your bread already sliced, get yourself a nice wide spatula. Go ahead and melt some butter on medium to low heat. And let's go ahead and get this French toast in the pan. So now guys, go ahead and get your assembly line prepared. You're gonna need your bread, your custard, a pan that conducts heat evenly. I like to use cast iron, and a baking sheet. Now take 2 slices of your bread, put them in your custard. What you want to do is just soak these for maybe 10 to 15 seconds on each side. You don't want your bread soggy. You just want that flavor to be absorbed. And then flip it over and soak your other side for another 10 to 15 seconds. Take your bread, drain a little bit of that excess custard off, and pop it into your pan. We're gonna cook these 2 to 3 minutes per side, just depending on how high your heat is. You don't wanna burn it. And then we're going to flip them over and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now when your French toast slices are done, you want to transfer those to your baking sheet and then pop that in your preheated 250 degree oven so that it will stay warm while you're cooking your other pieces. Add some more butter to your pan and repeat the process. So guys, here's our plate of delicious French toast. I like to take a little bit of powdered sugar and dust it over mine. Who doesn't like powdered sugar? So now as you can see, this was super easy to do. Just takes a little bit of preparation on the front end to make everything go perfectly smoothly. Now I like to drizzle, of course, some warm maple syrup on top. Now let's give this a little taste. Y'all, so good. This is absolutely delicious, easy to do. You can taste the yummy vanilla and cinnamon and nutmeg and all of those delicious ingredients that we put in there. If you try this, make sure that you leave me a comment. You know that I love to hear from you guys. Make sure that you are subscribed before you go and hit that little notification bell down there. All of the ingredients are going to be listed down below. All of the directions are going to be on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. I'll also leave a link to that down below. And remember, the next time you are in the kitchen, you are keeping it delightful and delicious. Bye guys, see you next time.